The headwinds from protracted geopolitical tensions and increasing disruptions in trade routes, however, pose risks to the overall outlook. Taking all these factors into consideration, the real GDP growth for the current financial year 2024-25, which started on 1st April, the real GDP growth for 24-25 is projected at 7%, with Q1 at 7.1%, Q2 at 6.9%, and both Q3 and Q4 at 7% each. The risks are evenly balanced. Turning to inflation, frequent and overlapping adverse climate shocks pose upside risks to the outlook on international and domestic food prices. Cost push pressures faced by firms are seeing an upward bias after a period of sustained moderation. Deflation in fuel is likely to deepen in the near term, following the cut in LPG prices in the month of March. Notwithstanding the cut in petrol and diesel prices in mid-March, the recent uptick in crude oil prices, especially in the recent few days, they need to be very closely monitored. Continuing geopolitical tensions also pose upside risk to commodity prices and supply chains. Assuming a normal monsoon next year, CPI inflation for, when I say normal monsoon for next year, I mean the current year 24-25. CPI inflation for the current year 24-25 is projected at 4.5%. I repeat, CPI inflation for the current year 24-25 is projected at 4.5%, with Q1 at 4.9%, Q2 at 3.8%, Q3 at 4.6%, and Q4 at 4.5%. The risks are evenly balanced.